You asked, how to divide 155,000 by 12 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 15. 15 divided by 12 equals 1. 1 times 12 equals 12. 15 minus 12 equals 3. Bring down 5, making 35. 35 divided by 12 equals 2. 2 times 12 equals 24. 35 minus 24 equals 11. Bring down 0, making 110. 110 divided by 12 equals 9. 9 times 12 equals 108. 110 minus 108 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 12 equals 1. 1 times 12 equals 12. 20 minus 12 equals 8. Bring down 0, making 80. 80 divided by 12 equals 6. 6 times 12 equals 72. 80 minus 72 equals 8. The remainder is 8. The final result is 12,916 remainder 8.